If you're looking for a tool set that's gonna help you with all the little tech jobs that you need to do, well, I got this one right here and it's really helped me with my phones and with my laptops and things like that. So let's get it open and take a closer look at it because I really have appreciated this one. Okay, so here's the Kobalt tool set up close. This is a really rugged and durable exterior material on here. It feels like you could just hit this thing with a hammer and it would probably be fine. There's also a really nice high quality handle right here, makes it easy to carry around, and a nice zipper that's really actually quite easy to unzip and get it open. Once it's open, you can see you have a few tools off to the side here. These are mostly prying tools as well as a suction cup. Those are going to help you get like screens and stuff like that off. And then over here, we have this magnetic case right here that pops off and on quite easily. And then you can see all the tools and the bits on the inside. So here's the actual screwdriver attachment right here. Everything will just go into this bit, and it's really easy to just hold that piece right there and screw it back and forth to tighten and loosen the bits into it. You get this extension tool, for example, and you can easily tighten that in there and that makes it longer. Or you could tighten it at that point and it makes it even longer still. So that's nice how that works. And you have all kinds of attachments that can go in and out of it. They all really slide in and out really well, but they don't take off on you and run away while they're in there. It feels like they're nice and tight. So let me show you all the different bits they have here. They have these ones from size 1, size 1.5, 2, 2.5, and 3. They have these tiny little Phillips bits in 000, 00, single 0, and 1. They have these T3, T4, and T5 bits. They have these ones in TT6, TT7, TT8, TT9, TT10, and TT15. They have these square bits in 1.6 and 2.0. They have these smaller bits in 2.2 and 2.3. These ones in Y0 and Y1, S0 and S1. And these in a 0.8, a 0.9, a 1.3, and a 1.5. And then these bits I showed you earlier in the 2.5, 3.0, 3.5, 4.0, 4.5, and the 5.0 right here. Carrying on to a 2.0, a 2.5, and a 3.0. And they have these in P2, P5, and P6. And lastly, let's not forget these handy dandy tweezers. So there you go. There's all the tools you get in this little Kobalt tool set. Very, very useful. I've really appreciated this. Just the value of it has saved me so much time having to send in computers and laptops and things like that, and just fixing them myself. So really useful. I really appreciate this toolkit. And if you found this video helpful, then please hit that little thumbs up button down there to let me know. I really appreciate it.